Hi guys and welcome to Enchanted Sparkle Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how I make a cheer bow using two different coloured ribbons. So to make this we need our two ribbons, obviously, and we also need a needle and thread. We need some clips, I recommend 4, you'll see why, a glue gun and some ribbon to go on the centre of your bow and to line your clip with. So to make this, I'm using 3-inch width ribbon, so I want to measure down 3 inches and fold my ribbon over. So just need to make sure that it's the same width as the same fold as the width of the ribbon, so 3 inches on a 3-inch, or if you're using 2-inch ribbon, fold 2 inches. So once we've got that, we're just going to glue it in place. And then we're going to do the exact same again with the other colour of ribbon. When we've done that, we're going to cross our ribbons over. We're just going to lay one on top of the other. We're going to cross them over, and we're going to make sure that we have the same distance apart. If you use your bottom of where you've glued it across as like a guide, just line it up so that the corners a bit meet, like so. Make sure you measure it just to make sure that everything is properly the correct distance apart. Just make sure they're both the exact same distance from the join to the end of the ribbon, otherwise you might need to overlap a little bit. So now we're going to just put some clips in to hold everything in place. Now we're just going to sew up and down the join. I've sped this up a little bit because it's fun to watch. It is actually quite tricky to sew through the sequins. It's quite tough to push your needle through, but a little bit of practice and you can get it no problem done. When everything's sewn and in secure place, you can take your clips off because they just get in the way after a while. So to fold this, we're going to do like a pinch fold in the middle, so pinch it up, back down, back up and down again. Normally if you're just using ribbon, once you've sewn through it, you can just pull the thread and it will create that perfect sort of pinched effect by itself. But because these sequins are quite tough, it doesn't really work that well. So with the sequins you do have to put the pinch sort of in place yourself and sew it up, and yeah. Have enough thread left on my needle to finish it off properly there, so I've chopped that off, and I'm going to get some more thread just to secure it up a little bit more. this point I'm going to add my centre strip. For this I'm using some 9mm ribbon. Don't forget to heat seal your ends too, because that prevents future fraying, which is something that you want to try and avoid. Next I'm going to line my clip with the 9mm ribbon. I'm using a 60mm clip on this one here. So I'm just going to line my clip and stick it onto my bow. I'd normally use a bobble on these, but for this one I wanted to use a clip just because I did for some reason. But yeah, so just lining the clip now and adding it onto the bow. So now it's time to trim the tails down to how I want them, for the right length and the right cut. I'm going to be using an angled cut on this, but you can also do like your spikes or your flat ones or whatever you want to do, but I'm going to do an angled one on this. Again, just don't forget to heat seal the ends of your ribbon here because they do get frayed quite easily, so heat sealing just gives it that final finished effect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe if you have. There'll be lots more videos soon. Bye!